All right, let's open it up, see what we got. It looks like I got a factory sealed one. Check the tape on the side. If you bought one of these new, make sure it hasn't been in somewhere else. Chances are they've blown the speakers and returned it, or just couldn't figure out what to do with it. Inside we got some assembly instructions, which I'll be doing a video later on how to mount this. Actually putting it on a 2018 VN1700. So I'll go over all that with you. There's some drilling templates, which means if you're afraid to drill holes in your motorcycle, you probably want to return this right away. It is plastic, bikebandit.com. I have replaced a few pieces of plastic in my days. Really good place to get factory parts. Warranty cards. And inside the box, that was a good sign. The bubble wrap is still sealed. Looks like a pretty nice speaker. It actually has a leather feel on it. So it'll actually match the seat pretty well. The speakers are probably factory speakers. I did order some Polk audios. I did another video the other day. I put those in the front of the bike, was quite happy with it. It does have a factory connection, which I've seen underneath the bike, so I'll go over that with you. Show you how I wire it, how I get it around there. Other side, same thing, looks good. Again, we'll be changing those speakers out to the Polks. And looks like we got some mounting hardware inside. A couple zip ties, 6 bolts, and 4 mounting flanges, because I'm guessing what we're going to be mounting them to is plastic. And you're going to probably have to put one of those on each side of the plastic to keep it from breaking off eventually. As soon as I get ready to put it on the bike, I'll get a video online, show you how to do it. Thanks for watching.